Woohoo! Kia ora whānau, welcome to my 6-minute video gone wrong where you're going to get 2 for the price of 1. Hey, please enjoy. It's a Karakia, a Mihi, ki te Taiao. A big shout out to our natural environment and to the world around us. Woohoo! Kia ora koutou te whānau, e mā taki mai tēnei whakāturanga a Kiimai Māori, nau mai, haere mai, huki mai, pūkana. Ka pai whānau, welcome back. Today we're going to use our model here, our tauira, te arapiki tauira, and we'll use it to help us learn a simple karakia. Simple as in there will only be 10 parts to it. I think what I like about this karakia, not only a karakia, a mihi, a sentiment, a whakaaro, and let's do it first and see what you think it's all about. But what I love about it is its simplicity. It's simplicity and its complexity all in one. Only a few words. We have a whakatauki that says, he iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero. Only a few words to say a lot. Let's try it out. Try it out as your opening for your hui, for your event, addressing your group, addressing situations, or even having a karakia and putting it out there. I've called it he karakia, he mihi, ki te Taiao, acknowledging our environment and the natural world we live in. Anyway, let's rock it out. And yeah, don't tell me off. Everyone's got their own version of doing it. Do it your way. Kia tau ngā manaaki tanga, a te mea ngaro, ki runga, ki tēnā o mātou. Kia hua ta mā kihi, kia toi te kupu, kia toi te mana, kia toi te whenua, kia toi te reo, kia toi te hauora, o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīnā, haumi e, hui e, tai ki e, tui. Ka pai whānau, there it is. So now I'm going to break it down. We'll break it down. Follow along with me. We're trying to do this video really quick. I'm trying to shorten things down. It's hard trying to keep things short when you like telling stories like I do, but let's go. Let's keep it short and concise. Follow after me if you want. And if you don't, then go and put the kettle on and come back. Kia tau ngā manaaki tanga a te mea ngaro. Ki runga, ki tēnā o mātou. Kia hua te mā kihi. Kia toi te kupu. Kia toi te mana. Kia toi te whenua. Kia toi te reo. Kia toi te hauora, o tēnā, o tātou. Kia tūturu, whakamaua, kia tīnā, haumi e, hui e, tai ki e. Ka pai whānau, just looking down there, I've got about 1:40 to wrap this up. So here we go. This is my own thoughts on it. Probably everyone's going to write in and say, Kate, they're here, you're all over the place. But cool, that's good. Do that. And then at least we provoke thought and we got something to say about it instead of just sitting there. So here we go. I'm thinking, kia tau ngā manaaki tanga, a te mea ngaro. Ki runga, ki tēnā o mātou. Let us be mindful. Let us acknowledge and be mindful and have a responsibility to acknowledge and respect the many blessings and generosities that have been bestowed upon us. Ki runga i a tātou, upon each and every one of us. And with that in mind, kia hua te mākihikihi. I think one of the original and longer versions, kia mahia, ko te hua mākihikihi. It's like to enable a clear passage to, kia hua te mākihikihi in a concise way. I think that's a metaphor to say, and I'm thinking, why did they choose the mākihikihi? That's a cicada of sorts. When you go to Kihikihi up north, you'll see that cicada there, the Kihikihi. And I'm thinking, why did they choose the mākihikihi? And my thoughts is, after checking it out last night with some of the class, there's 40 different types of cicada, only to Aotearoa, all different types of cicada. Kia hua te mākihikihi, it's like bring on the cicada. Kia hua, make it prolific and bountiful. Whoa, that'll be like something I read somewhere else. Kia hua te mākihikihi. Why use the mākihikihi? Why not use a penguin? Because they're too noisy. Hoi hoi. Kia hua te mākihikihi. And when I look at why, and there's 40 different types, there's so many types. There's one that lives under the ground for 3 years, eating the roots of trees and stuff. And in the 3 years, and then it comes out at the dawn, and it goes onto the bark, and it's flightless. It only hops around, and it goes on the bark, and then it comes out of its own skin. It comes out, and it develops wings, and it flies away. That's only one. There's a coastal cicada. There's some down on the coast. There's a specific cicada on the tip, on the summit, on the toi, on the summit of the mountains. That's another cicada. Coastal, inland, they're everywhere. Anyway, you said you're going to keep it short. I think they chose a cicada because there are so many. And what it is, I believe this part is, it's restore and regenerate nature, all of nature, not just one cicada, all of the cicadas, all the birds, all the bees, all the trees, all the atmosphere, everything. This one statement, kia hua te mākihikihi, let us be mindful to restore and leave this land as we found it by our tipuna before all of us, the whole planet, not just Aotearoa. Kia hua te mākihikihi, look after nature. Oh my God, that didn't take long. Kia toi te kupu. Toi, 3 words. Kia toi te kupu. In all facets of our lives, let us be mindful. Te kupu, what? That's the word. Whose word? Your word is your bond. Stick to the word. Honour the word. If you want to say the word of God, that's another word too. But the word, what is it? Kia toi te kupu. Honour the word of our ancestors. They all left prophetic words for each of us to listen to. And they're all coming to light now. Kei te whawhai tonu mātou. Carry on the good fights. Endeavour to struggle and find the way forward. Kia toi te kupu. Hold on to those words. Hold on to their mana. Kia toi te mana. The honour and integrity, not only of our Māori people, of humanity. Kia toi te mana. Yeah. 3 words. Kia toi te whenua. Yeah. Mother Earth. And the ozone. It's all in there. Figure of speech. Kia toi te reo. I could say te reo Māori, but I'm only going to say kia toi te reo. Everyone's mother tongue. Those mother tongues, like te reo Māori, they carry the mauri, the intrinsic value and life essence from our ancestors. And there's a vibration in there coming down, and to the ones coming after us. Kia toi te reo. All the mother tongues. Nurture them and keep them, their intrinsic value, back to their origins and their sources. Kia toi. Kia toi te hauora. Whoa. Health and well-being. Restore the health and well-being. Kia toi te hauora ki tēnā o mātou. Hey, let us restore ourselves as fresh as we were the day we were born, we came into this world. We have an obligation to consider it anyway. Do our best. Kia toi te hauora. Yeah. Kia tuturu. Let us be resolute. Whakamaua. Be hold on to these treasures that have been bestowed upon us. Kia tina. And make them resolute. Let's all resolve to consider this together. Haumie, unity. Huie, let's gather in unity around the globe. Taekie, 'tis done in our mind, and hopefully now the body will follow, and I'll see you guys at the gym. That's not even short, it's now 10 minutes. I might have to redo this, but if I don't, this is the one you're going to get, because sometimes that's how it is. Kia mau ki tō mana āhua ake as well. Celebrate your absolute uniqueness. Do it your way. Do it your way or the highway. And I'll see you out there next time on Kiimai Māori Aoitepö. Pō Māori e? Oh no, it's still daytime. Have a nice day. Kia tau ngā manaaki tangata te mea ngaro ki runga ki tēnā o mātou. Kia hua te mā kihi. Kia toi te kupu. Kia toi te mana. Kia toi te whenua. Kia toi te reo. Kia toi te hauora. O tēnā o tātou. Kia tuturu. Whakamaua. Kia tīna. Haumi e hui e. Taiki e.